Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. So I had a little surprise in the mail the other day. As a lot of you might know, I live on a narrowboat, so getting post tends to be quite difficult for me. I've got a feeling that this post was actually delivered quite a while ago, but I've only just received it and I was super excited. Want to see what it is? So I had a letter delivered from the 5%ers, which are the company that I've used for my funded account. And I was super excited because they've actually sent to me a trading plan in the post. Now I had no idea that they were going to send this, and it's not so much excitement over the trading plan itself, it's more the thought, because it just felt like they really cared about me because they've sent me some extra resources to try to help ensure that I will succeed with my trading. So I'll just very quickly read through the letter that they sent to me. It says, "Hi trader, the trading plan has arrived and it's finally with you. We are glad to have invested a lot into this resource for you. We are always looking for ways to help our traders and provide them with the best trading resources and tools. This is one of them. Certainly this trading plan will help you to improve your trading performance and your routine. For your success," and then it's signed the 5%ers. So I haven't actually used this plan just yet because I wanted to show it to you first, but it's really cool. It's a little ring binder and it's got like thick card, so it's pretty substantial as far as trading plans go. So let's have a look inside the trading plan. As you can see, it's quite a comprehensive guide really to help to form a trading plan for trading. It has loads of different useful sections: trading objectives, identifying strengths and weaknesses, key skills that we need to acquire to get better at trading. It has a section for building the strategy here, and it goes really into detail on this, so looking at the setup, the trigger, entries, different signals for the strategy. This is a lot more in depth than the trading plan that I've created for myself, so I'm definitely going to use this. And it goes on to talking about the different targets and stops, trade management, as well as the general rules for trading and self-evaluation. Once it goes past the initial trading plan template, I think most of the document itself is the same. It's a series of pages here that help you to journal your trades. Now, as you guys know, I've been using Excel for a long time to do this, and I'm really quite happy using Excel because I can use a lot of formulas to help me to calculate certain figures, and it just really speeds up the process. But nonetheless, this is still a really useful resource, especially because it was free and I didn't expect it. It's just a nice surprise to receive in the post. What I may do is go through this document. I may start using this to get into the habit of just providing a little bit more detail into my reviewing, into my journaling, and then I might use this as inspiration to add sections to my existing template in Excel. So that's the trading plan that the 5%ers sent me in the post. I've been having a few questions from you guys as well, seeing as I'm on the topic of the 5%ers funding company. I've had a few questions relating to the spreads. So just to talk very briefly about that, I mainly focus on trading two pairs as part of my strategy. So I like to trade Pound USD and Euro USD. So I am quite limited on the advice I can share when it comes to spreads because I actually don't tend to trade a big range of currency pairs. I try to keep it quite small. That being said, when I trade Pound USD, I'm really quite impressed with the spreads. It tends to be roughly around about 4 marginal pips as far as the spread goes, which I think is really quite good. I imagine this depends on the session that you're in, so I tend to trade the London session, but maybe this alters if you want to trade it during Asian session. Not too sure why you would want to, but there you go. As for Euro USD, looking at it now, and the time that I'm recording this is 9 minutes past 3, so in the afternoon here in the UK. And currently Euro USD actually has a 3 marginal pip spread. So they're really tight spreads. They're not raw spreads, but I wouldn't really expect that, but they're very tight, which makes it really good, especially if you want to scalp. I think that some of the minor pairs may have different spreads. I'll just give you a couple here that I can see on my screen to give you an idea. Looking at my screen at pound yen, that also has a 4 marginal pip spread. And also looking at Australian dollar to the US dollar, that also has a 5 marginal pip spread. So they all tend to be really quite manageable small spreads. If you want some more information about the company, the 5%ers, the funding that they offer, the rules, lots of different information, I have created a video that goes in depth on that, so I'll include a link above if you want to check that out. If you've got any other questions, do leave them below in the comments, and if you've enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos, and I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks guys, bye!